In Ghanian, when they say Adu, then they are calling your attention. And as I call your attention, our Paramount chief, Obrikon, Dikojo Abebio, the fifth, this handsome young man. He's 92, by the way, but he's a young man. And he's a dentist by profession. He was trained in Scotland. And he was a champion in World Athletic Games. All the trophies, the certificates are there. But not all of you will see. Only the president at the appropriate time will go and see all. He will speak. Because he's a young man, the voice is not all that.
Welcome to my humble home. I should be meeting you at the palace. But age is telling now. So I always advise myself whether I should travel there or I bring my business to my home. So you are at home. You are at home. So I already told you when you came here the last time that we are you and you are we. Just now, my division, I want to associated with Nigeria because we are called Alata. But I had always tell them that when Alata is foreign, all over the Atlantic Ocean, so when they come, they meet at Alata. And we go to Nigeria to meet Alata, because we are foreigners. We are happy to receive you. We didn't know that you were coming inside trouble. Otherwise, we were trying to accompany this position. We are very glad. And we are all proud of this meeting. I have told my wife, trying to come out. I see the government, as I see them, who are using that place for practice of that. So the first question is, they ask that, why are you here? Why are you in Ghana? So great, but everybody got book on TV. In the past, I told that you have book was initiated something. And then the morning, the day media came out in the news. I called my secretary and said, I have a party here. You come and see it. When they put it came out, we didn't find it. And later on, I found it. So it complicated to buy your development achieve. That we must go into this. And the question one will ask is, why? Why you are in a foreign place and there is a language? And why to us have to travel all around the world to come and prepare this appropriate. So that is why this conflict.
And those people, as you rightly said now, I don't think they are here as we are. That shows that this young man here now is to represent Ndị Igbo under culture of Ndị Igbo. And I have already installed you as Ndị Igbo in Ghana, in my palace at home. This is the date, and I think I gave you a certificate on this issue. Any association, as we does it, have power and chairman, secretary, and others. So this is the man we listen to under the caution. Something we want to take because in Ghana, because they are not dragging it. The other people just, as I said earlier, even in a home, politics starts at home. One of the two politics they do before you can say true. So that's what they are trying to do. But the final answer is who is the person that knows the tradition and goes by our tradition. That's why I'm here.
I contract with them in this.
Yes.
May I know from the elected chief whether you go with this activity?
Yes. Don't you know the rest?
I know them.
Okay, present.
I don't want to have this sentence. Because I don't ask, I go away. I let it just be. They, you could have had this simple point. Why did you not ask? Why this happening? Look at your body,
Yes, okay.
look at your position, look at your hand, and why is it for it to try to settle after? Put all this stuff. I'm sorry, it is the time okay, I know why this
Let me start by saying that those people that have been going around, those people that have been going around spreading information from day one, Your Highness, they came to me and they asked me, Chief, I want to be Eze Igbo. And I give them my kindly advice. That my advice to them is, everything have a formula. And if you want to get 1 plus 1, if you remove that plus and put minus, it will be 1 minus 1. I ask them to come to the right channels so that we can be able to screen them and bring out the right candidate that can represent Ndị Igbo and represent Ndị Igbo very well. That can be able to bridge peace between Ghanaians and the Igbos residents here. All for a sudden, Your Highness, I learned that they went to His Highness Eze Igbo, OON, the one that have the power to install Eze that will represent Igbos all over the world. They went to him. He gave them the same kindly advice. They came back and decided to choose their own way, the way they want it. We said, okay, if you have decided to go out from your father's advice, you become a disobedient child. Your Highness, this young man standing before you, High Chief Geoffrey Mokubo, as my king rightly said, was screamed and they didn't fit to assume this duty. That is one reason we don't make noise. We don't even go to the media. We don't even make announcement.
All these things they are doing is just propaganda. Your Highness, I request that those children, their children, all chiefs like this from Nigeria, coming all the way. In fact, let me go this way. When they are talking, they ask me, go to me, ask him, give us a paper so that we put down our names, showing that we visited this kingdom today. So that if you need to do further verification, you have to do through the names they are going to leave behind. Is it not what I come to inform you?
Exactly.
Thank you, Your Highness. Light doesn't hide. We are not quarreling with them. They should do what they want to do as a disobedient child. When they realize their mistake, they will come back, welcome them, as the prodigal son go back to his father. Thank you, Your Highness.
Your Royal Majesty, I just want to add just one point to the last one. My name, I am Chief Doctor Eugene Ojukwu. I'm a member of the Order of the Ninth Heavenly in Nigeria. And by the special grace of God, I am not less than 67 years. I am not less than 67 years. In those days, our mentor, late Dikemba Odumegwu, before he moves, most of the time, I am with him. And he was the Eze Igbo of the Igbos in Nigeria, all over the world. In my presence, he picked up Eze Hazurike to be his running mate in going to the Igbos in diaspora. He gave him the authority. That is the one that will be going all over the world and then install Eze Igbos that will coordinate Ndi Igbo wherever they are. Wherever they are in this world. So, if I am here, and I cannot put my name very carelessly if something that I'm not sure of. Something that I'm not sure of. I cannot at this stage try to play with my age. So, as far as Ndi Igbos are concerned, this is the man, whoever that he says is a man that after screening in the sense that he has said it all. There's no question of wealth. There's no question of you made money overnight. There's no question of you went to Yahoo and then be able to Yahoo money. No. Igbos will look at you and screen you and make sure that you are representing the interests of Igbos and the peace in that place where you are living. So that is what I want to ask. And I'm going to stop right
I think the point has well been made.